and welcome back, y'all. Today I have my handsome husband in the chair again. Y'all, look at his hair. His shrinkage is so real. Like, I can't believe how much his hair has grown. If y'all have been following my channel, then y'all already know what I'm talking about. If you are new, welcome. We are family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Let me know down below how y'all are doing. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family, because we stay lit over here, okay? I'm always dropping new content for you guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and that notification bell so you won't miss my next upload. Also, y'all, my husband has been growing his hair out for a minute now. Like, it is so beautiful to me. Like, oh my god. But he wanted something quick per usual. Y'all know he's not trying to sit in this chair all day. So I decided to do some jumbo, I want to say knotless, but you know, I'm not adding any hair in. It's just his hair, but we're gonna just call it jumbo knotless. So we're gonna do some jumbo knotless on him with zigzag parts. And it really didn't take that long. It took maybe, I'll say, an hour and a half. And that's from start to finish. I did blow his hair out. And y'all know that I start on fresh, clean hair. So, of course, I washed him before blowing it out. And I like to lay that product down the part. Y'all know I like crispy parts. So, you'll see me, you know, separating it and going through and parting several times. But, you know, do your thing. If you like raggedy parts, do your thing. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. Make sure those parts are together. I lay that product on his hair and comb it in, and then I just braid down. I'm gonna do it several times so y'all can see what I am doing. And yeah, it came out really cute, y'all. Like, super cute. One thing I will say though, if you are looking for a style that's gonna last you for a long time, this definitely is not one of them, because so much of your scalp is exposed. I would say with the product, it's not gonna last you that long. It lasts him maybe a week, and yeah, by the end of the week I was like, okay, come on, it's time to do something different. Also, every plait doesn't have to be the same, like in size, and you know, the parts doesn't have to be exactly the same. And that's another thing that I really like about this style. You can really just freestyle, you know, do whatever you feel, and it still comes out to be cute. Everything doesn't have to be just super perfect, y'all. On another note though, I will be offering virtual braid classes here soon. Those are in the works right now. I'm currently shooting for them, so be on the lookout. Here soon you'll be able to purchase one of my virtual braid classes, whether you're a beginner or, you know, if you even don't know how to braid and want to learn the concept of braiding. I will definitely have something for you. If you are an experienced braider, I will also have something for you. So y'all be on the lookout. Those classes will be coming very soon. All the products that I use in every video, you'll be able to find down below in the description box on my Amazon storefront. If you are wanting to purchase some of my edge control, you can find that on my website at Artryssaglamtresses.com. I also have a hair elixir on there, as well as precision combs, the combs that I'm using most of the time in my videos. You'll be able to find those on there as well. So yeah, go check your girl out. I'm gonna let y'all finish watching the video. And I just want y'all to know that I love and appreciate y'all so much for watching my content and for rocking with your girl. And as always, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.